Yeah, I'm the outside. How far are they? 10 minutes? Alright.
Maureen, you know, say 2 days now, Dante and Cheryl not come to work. I go fire them, you know.
You don't have to fire them. They resigned.
Resign? What do you mean?
Mr. Swaby resigned, walk off the job, left the work. You understand that, right?
For what? I pay the two of them the money, you know.
Money don't solve everything in a Marlon. Some people still believe in principle.
What kind of principle? We have a slow period and the money in a run. Them not understand that.
And you say you're a businessman. You really think that is the workers' problem?
Yo, at the first, me ask them for hold on a little, you know.
Again, sir, it's the principle. You can't wait till 2 months past and then you want to come address the thing about the money.
Them can go on. Them never real to this.
You know, see, I told the best worker that we lose.
People like Cheryl and Dante come a dime a dozen.
No, they weren't. Listen to me. Sherry got 4 new hotels on my list last week. And you see, Dante, that boy was a driver and a tour guide. You know you can't find that nowhere.
What? We just put out an ad. Simple.
And pay an arm and a leg. Dante and Cheryl know that the company was a young company. And them they work with we.
Well, Maureen, me nah make them stop the progress of this company. Them can go on.
Marlon, we are at fault.
So, because them not get them money pan time, I mean this turn pan now.
You heard what I said, right? We are at fault. And me especially, because I am the upfront face of the company.
We can get back to people like them or even better when I time them.
Alright, make me sit down.
Then there, a off the grid camera. Not even Jamaica I can cover that. Oh. Watch this now. That a tree place in a tavern.
You know, so there's a 3 areas where nobody not have them eyes on. Not all police afraid for go up here, so. And if you notice which part it start from the foot of the hill, right in the middle, straight to the top.
Last night, me I go through it and realize say the camera them have night vision. It pick up on people's face easily.
And with that, you can pick up facial recognition in the night.
numbers get access to them something here, Bubbles?
How you think?
Mr. Mullins?
Who else? Listen, T, for run the agency how him needed for run, him have to have eyes and ears everywhere. All places where police afraid for go.
How him get to install them camera here in a place? Him not get authorization from the government.
It's not even the government. Them not go give him authorization for put camera, no way. And in the community them, are the people them we have to worry about.
Yeah, cause me not see some of them volatile community with man can just go in and install camera just so.
Exactly. So him work out a strategy. Him have people will go in as like Whisper, water commission man, JPS man, cable man, and them get the job done.
So, Whisper they install camera in a people and community too?
Just two community. Two community where them did go on real bad. And with that, we get 6 arrests outright.
Well, as long as we get the job done, nobody can say nothing.
It's not so easy. With this government, them want to know everything. Because them want credit for everything. But with our agency, them can't know everything.
So hold on there. Why you want to take this so easy?
So what you want me to do? Ball?
By the way, you did try to talk to them and show them so we are going to fix things?
Yes, I did.
You know, me not think you try hard enough.
Hold on there. Although me not have controlling interest, still my company. Me know how important the workers are. And you want to talk to them anywhere.
Me not laugh up with people like you. Cause them with this here.
So you don't believe in making the work environment comfortable for the workers?
Me not say no, you know. But them for know who run things. So them not overstep.
Alright, bossy.